Okay. Blood leaving the heart and going to the toes is going to leave through the descending aorta to the common iliac artery, and then through the external iliac artery, which is the one on the outer side, and then to the femoral artery, which is then going to go into the popliteal artery. The popliteal artery is going to branch into a posterior and an anterior tibial artery. The posterior one is going to be in the back, and the anterior one right here in the front. The anterior is going to go into the dorsal pedal artery, and then both the anterior and posterior are going to go into into the arterial arch, which are going to drain into each digital artery of the toes. When the blood returns, it's going to leave the digital veins into the venous arches, and then into the anterior and posterior tibial veins, which anterior again is in the front, posterior is going to be back here. The popliteal veins will then take the blood from the anterior and posterior. The popliteal vein is also joined by the smallest venous vein, which is right here, and those will go into the femoral vein, which is right here. The femoral vein is going to drain blood along with the great saphenous vein, which is on the right here on the inside of the thigh. Those are going to both drain into the external, right here, the external iliac vein, into the common iliac vein, and then both into the, and then it's going to go into the inferior vena cava of the heart.